Hi everyone, Penny here, and this is the 5 items challenge to begin with. This was part of the live that I could actually save, so I apologize with the technical issues, the camera, the lighting, and all that. So I'm still trying to work out some of all that, so be patient with me. The live videos was not so good this morning, so I apologize. So I come back on and did a third live video that hopefully you all understood what was going on. There's a lot of technical issues going on, a lot of things in the background going on. My phone wasn't working, the phone in my house was ringing, and all that kind of stuff. And a lot of stuff just was notifications and things was going off. And of course, anyway, so here is the first part of creating the first project for the 5 item challenge. So I'm using pages from the free mini kits are posted in the group. The Digital Junk Journal Principles and Penny's Crafty Corner group. It's Ribbon Garden and Tennessee Swan, and this is the Hospice envelope journal template that you see me have in my hand here. That counts as 1 item, and I'm just pulling stuff out of my scrap little bucket. That's the scrap bin that I'm using to work with first. So I am picking out doilies. I'm picking out items from my little bucket stash to create with just 5 items. You don't have to have a whole lot. The distressing ink, the gesso, the Mod Podge, the glue gun, and all that stuff that you actually make it the background with is not included in the 5 items. This idea was not my idea. It came from Maramy Small Arts on YouTube with Marta, and she asked us if we wanted to come along with her and just pick out 5 items. I know hers is more art journaling than junk journaling, but I thought we could introduce the 5 items into the junk journal aspect of it. So here I am just cutting out the template with my little scissors. The template is just an outline, and then you can print whatever paper that you want on top of it. So what I did was I printed the envelope template to page, and then I went and printed the graph paper on top of the envelope so that, I would have a pattern. So I was super excited because don't forget about your printer. Don't forget how you can make copies. If you have scrapbook paper, just cut it down where it will fit into your printer and print something on the back. So it's just easier for me to do that. Some people will spray on the back, but anyway, you'll see me working with 2 different kits, well actually 3 different kits. And they will be off, the mini printable will be free in the group. It's free on my blog, and if you have, the links are there. If you're watching this on YouTube, it will absolutely be on the link down below if you want to come and create with me by printing the items out yourself. So check that out. And I also, if you need them printed for you, there's an option on my blog if you want to find out how that you can get those printed for you, and on the Etsy shop as well. So I'll leave all that stuff down below on the video. But I just wanted to edit the live video because there are a lot of technical issues and things like that. So I normally don't show my face. There at the end, I was trying to cut it off, and it showed my face and showed the rest of my laundry room and stuff like that. So anyway, this is my space. So I just wanted to pop on to edit this and to show you this video and the process. So you can continue watching the process of me creating the little first 5 items challenge for the envelope, and stay tuned in some more videos coming up so that you can check out. There'll be several videos hopefully throughout the day that I can post of just 5 little items. It's something quick. It takes about 10 minutes. It doesn't take a whole lot of thought to it. If it matches, or if it's junk journal, it doesn't really matter if it matches. But the little envelope is I'm going to have something in it as well, and you can see here some of the kit. You may see these images all throughout Facebook, Etsy for digital, because they're public domain. So you're probably going to see a lot of the images that I use are public domain, and other people, other artists, other graphic artists uses them as well. So just in case there was any wondering what was going on there. Hey, I've seen those before. Yeah, you have. They're in public domain, and if a lot of digital artists use public domain images, you're going to see those images pop up a lot, especially if they're pretty and they're beautiful images, and they're, they're good to print. Even sometimes some of the public domains are well enough to print smaller, and some you can use in, bigger projects. But anyway, here I am just trying to figure out which one that I want to use. If I want to use the blue one, if I want to use the graph paper side, if I want to use the blank side. But this, it's just a process of doing what you like. So I hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned for the group. Stay tuned for the five items challenge, and check out the videos that I posted of Mary Me Small Arts. You can join her in her challenge. This is just something that I kind of went through with 4 junk journals, and stuffies and things. Bye, everyone.